Hi guys, just a quick little ride before the weather turns dark. But I've set it on to low mode. This is the Majestic Supreme electric skateboard. Man, this thing is absolutely brilliant. But I've had a quick little run on it because it's not fully charged yet. And I'm gonna have my daughter have a go on this too and can get her feedback. Let's go. You ready, Isabella?
Yeah.
Show us how this is done. Majestic skateboard. This is on the low setting and there's such great controlling power.